before you guys leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you did in fact enjoy this video. So today we're in my bathroom. Don't mind my little sports bra here. I stay supported. Today we're going to be doing a skincare routine with Dollar Tree products. Kind of making this a thing now. If you see my last two videos, I did the haul and then I did the makeup. Now I'm going to do the skincare. See if the skincare, is talking about anything, if it's looking like anything, if it's going to make my skin feel like anything. So I found a few interesting products in the Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you guys what those products are. We're going to go ahead and with the St. Ives cleansing stick. The instructions for this says to wet face, twist up stick and rub over skin, then massage with fingertips to lather. Rinse and glow for best results, use twice daily. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Just twist off like that. This is what it looks like when you initially get it. It's like a little piece covering. So we're going to take this off. And this is what it looks like underneath. First thing in the instructions, I'm going to roll the sleeve up because we're about to get messy. I'm going to go ahead and wet my face. I'm going to go ahead and rub this in. Okay, got that all rubbed in. Now we're just going to go ahead. I'm going to wet my hands just a little bit just to help with the lather. I'm going to go ahead and lather that in. I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face off. My face feels squeaky clean. Got a white towel, giving the spa vibes, you know what I'm saying? The spa vibes with the white towels and the facial treatments, spa vibes, Relax with me. Now for the exciting part, this bubble mask here. Now, I've never tried one of these before, so and of course, okay, I'm about to say this is in a completely different language. I'm not even gonna know how to use this. It says application guide. Unfold the mask, place the mask on the face, position the cut out to your face, smooth mask over skin so there are no wrinkles or bubbles. Leave on your face for 20 minutes, massage lightly the bubbles that come out of the sheet mask. Remove mask and wash bubbles off with water. When skin is dry, never resume normal skincare regimen. Okay. So we're gonna pretty much apply this like a regular sheet mask. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull this out. Oh, that feels very slimy. Oh, that feels very slimy, like soap. So now that we look kind of creepy, I'm going to go ahead and leave this on for about 20 minutes and I'm going to come back and then we're going to resume this whole skincare routine. Okay, so I look crazy, but it's been a little over 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and go on with the next steps. It says the mask is literally going off. It says to massage the bubbles into my face before removing the mask. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Woo. Gonna take that off. Gonna rub this in a little bit more. Just want to get the full effect, you know, the full effect of this mask. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face off with some water. I'm gonna go in with this Biora Charcoal micellar water. For these instructions, it says wet a cotton pad. I have cotton pads, got these from Dollar Tree as well.
So it says wet cotton pad, wipe all over the face until skin is completely clean. To remove eye makeup, hold the pad over closed eyes for a few seconds and then wipe away. No need for harsh rubbings daily, morning, day or night. Okay.
So I'm just applying this to the cotton pad. And I'm gonna just rub this all over my face. All right, that's all applied. My skin is glowing. My skin is glowing. Now we're gonna go on with this facial serum here. I'm gonna go on with this. I'm gonna open this up and see how this baby's doing. So far, so good. I'm not mad at anything. This is actually a nice size. So let's see if there's instructions for this since we're going to be following everything by the book.
Directions. After cleaning and toning, apply dime-sized amounts of fingertips and lightly across the face. Serum should be applied twice a day.
Okay. So it says to put it on the fingertips. A dime-sized amount onto the fingertips. So just applied that. And then we're gonna apply it to the face. That actually feels really good. That actually feels really good, you guys. All right, now that that's all applied, I'm gonna go in with this this Banana Blast Jelly Eye Cream. I'll show you that again. I suck at this. Okay. Oh, you get a nice size of this eye cream as well. This is my hand and this is the cream. You get a nice size for eye cream. All right, let's read the instructions since we're reading instructions today.
Apply a small amount under eye morning and night.
All right. Okay, so small amount. Apply that under the eye. I'm not mad at this at all. This gel face mask, didn't use that. May use that another day. But I mean, as for this, I'm not mad at this. My face feels very moisturized. It feels very clean. Feels like all that stuff that was in my pores is gone now. So I'm not mad at that. Yeah, all the products that I use, I'll link in the description. If you guys did enjoy this video, do give it a thumbs up. So again, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Comment anything you guys want to see from me. That's it. Again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.